I, Lakshmana Chandra Victoria Gowri,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Madras,
Advocate Victoria Gowri was appointed as Additional Judge of the Madras High Court on February 7. But this happened amid high drama in the Supreme Court. At 10:45 a.m., when Victoria Gowri was being sworn in, the Supreme Court was hearing 2 petitions challenging her appointment. But minutes after she was sworn in, the top court dismissed the petition. So why was Victoria Gowri's appointment opposed? A leader of the BJP Mahila Morcha, she has in the past made speeches against Muslims and Christians. Listen in.
Which one you think is more dangerous for national security? Because you see a lot of bombing from jihadi groups, but not from church groups.
Bombing is less dangerous than the kind of conversion being adopted by the aggressive Christian theologist groups, because now they are just 2.3% of our entire population of 130 crores. When they are just, even being a very very small 2.3, comprising a 2.3% population, the impact is more. That now we are sitting here for more than an hour discussing how to encounter the problem of conversion.
Victoria Gowri's name was recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium for elevation on January 17. She was the National General Secretary of the Bharatiya Mahila Morcha, which is the women's wing of the BJP. On January 30th, a report in Article 14 details several such hate speeches by Victoria Gowri. On February 1st, 21 senior lawyers sent letters to the President and the Chief Justice of India. The lawyers said that Victoria Gowri's elevation would undermine the independence of the judiciary. They also warned that the court should not weaken itself. 2 senior lawyers of the Madras High Court, R. Vaigay and Anna Matthew, moved the Supreme Court against the appointment. When the petitions came up before CJ Chandrachud, he said that the collegium had taken note of certain developments after the name was recommended to the union government. But the CJ's words did not translate into anything more in the court. When the matter was taken up by Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice B.R. Gave on the morning of February 7, they made it clear that they cannot interfere with the collegium's decision. The judges said that they could question her eligibility but not her suitability. They also said that the collegium would have been aware of Victoria Gowri's statements and that the court could not re-examine them. The judges also went on to say that Victoria Gowri's political background cannot be a hindrance, and that there are many other lawyers who are part of political parties and who had political affiliations who went on to become judges. This is true. For example, Justice B.R. Krishna Iyer, who was a minister in Kerala in the 1950s before he took up law full-time and eventually became a Supreme Court judge. There are many other examples too. But the petitions point out that it isn't Victoria Gowri's politics that is being challenged, but her views that stand against the spirit of the Constitution. While dismissing the petitions, the court did say that Victoria Gowri is only being appointed as an additional judge of the Madras High Court, and things can change before she is made permanent. But if that too is not stalled, then the only way a judge can be removed in India is through an impeachment process in the Parliament.